If you want to remove objects from photos with AI Eraser on your Samsung Galaxy A56, so first of all, let's open up our gallery and locate the desired picture. Now tap on this edit icon, looks like pencil. Tap on this 4 dots and tap on Object Eraser. Great. Now let's tap on Draw around anything which we want to erase. Great, it detected. Now let's press Erase. And basically that's it. Also, we can highlight it and choose Erase Shadow, Erase Reflections, or simply erase it once again. Now let's do another round of it. Let's press Erase. And let's press Done. Press Save if you're satisfied with the result. And basically that's it. That's how it works. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.